I'm Matt. Academic writing usually involves supporting your arguments with quotes or ideas from trusted sources. But how do you know which sources to trust? This is the role of academic and scholarly journals, which are published by universities and other research organizations. The experts who edit these journals review each article that they publish for its accuracy and methodology, making sure that the information is valid and properly researched. Because this information is written and edited by well-respected experts in a particular field, these articles serve as excellent sources to draw on for supporting your arguments. This can be done by paraphrasing, summarizing, or even directly quoting the information from the article. However, if you do this, you need to make sure that you cite the source correctly. If you make a mistake in your citation, you could be accused of plagiarism. Let's take a look at how to cite an academic journal article in MLA format. You'll need the following information to create a proper MLA format reference: the name or names of the authors who wrote the article you're citing, the title of the article, the title of the journal it was published in, the volume and issue number of the journal where the article appears, the date of the article's publication, the page numbers of the article, and if you found the article online or on an online database, you'll need the name of the database, if there is one, and the DOI, URL, or permalink for the article. Lastly, if you are using an online article, you may need to include the date you accessed the article if it doesn't have a publication date. Otherwise, the access date isn't necessary. Once you have all the information for your reference, you can build it in your Works Cited page. First, list the author's last name, followed by a comma, and then the first name, followed by a period. Next, list the title of the article in quotation marks with a period at the end of the title. Then, write the title of the journal in italics, followed by a comma, and then the volume number indicated by VOL period, the issue number indicated by NO period, and the publication date of the journal, as well as the page numbers of the article indicated by P period if the article sits on one page, or PP period if there's a page range. Separate each of these using commas and end with a period after the page numbers. If you found the article in a printed journal, that's all you need. However, if you found the article using an online database, list the name of the database in italics after the page numbers, followed by a comma. Then paste the DOI link, URL, or permalink, followed by a period. If you found the article online without using a database, place a period after the page range and include the DOI link, URL, or permalink. If you're citing an article with two authors, you'll write the names of the authors in the order they appear in the article. Write the first author's name just as you would for an article with a single author, then write comma, and the second author's first and last name. If the article has 3 or more authors, instead of listing every name, after the first author, write a comma followed by the Latin phrase et al., which means and others. If the article doesn't have an author listed, just leave that information out and start your citation with the title of the article. So that's how you cite an academic journal article in MLA format. If you still need help creating accurate citations or references, try using EasyBib citation tools. Thanks for watching.